So besides the point that it's 18 degrees outside, everything's frozen. This thing is like buried in the ground. The keel plate, you can't even see it. There's a metal plate that runs along here. Is in the dirt. And then obviously you can see the prop there and rudder. Flat bottom, exhaust pipes, big old keel. Looks like it's all fiberglass. And everything's frozen. Oh gosh. Just had a neighbor come over and ask me what the heck I'm doing. That's probably a pretty good question. What the heck am I doing? Where do I even start? I guess we'll start by coming back in a couple weekends and tearing out all this brush. From there, this thing needs to thaw out, and I need to get a bunch of water out because it probably weighs twice of what it should with the amount of water that's inside of it currently. Well, we'll give the old couch a try.